After a brief post-election rally, the stock market is once again on the move. Let's dive into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Frank Talks Money. Real quick, remember to like the video. The more likes the video receives, the more the algorithm will share the video with more like-minded people like you and me. Now let's dive right into the content. So guys, after a brief post-election rally, the stock market started to level off a little bit. Now the stock market is on the move again, posting new record highs. Let's get into it. On Friday, November 22nd, the Dow Jones closed at another record high, wrapping up a winning week. Bitcoin nudges closer to 100K. Stocks finished higher on Friday to wrap up a winning week for the major indexes, while Bitcoin continued its post-election rally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 1% to set up a new closing high. The S&P 500 rose 0.40% to finish higher for the fifth straight day, and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.20% for the day. Each of the major three indexes turned in weekly gains, rebounding from a sell-off last week when an election-fueled stock market rally faded away. Bitcoin was at $98,900. Might as well say $99,000 after hitting a new record high of $99,000 in the afternoon. The cryptocurrency has gained about 40% since the election 2 weeks ago, as investors bet that the Trump administration and crypto supportive Congress will implement policies that benefit this asset class. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you about Bitcoin. And you probably are going to be surprised. So guys, I get 4 bonuses every year. So guys, before I get into this, just let me state. First off, remember to like the video, guys. Remember to like the video. I'm giving this information to you guys because it's informative for investors and people who may want to think about it starting to invest. So please like the video. Second, I just want to say, this is not investing advice from me, guys. This is not financial advice. I am giving you this information because it's informative, things you should know in case you decide to invest. I am talking about these investments because these investments are what I invest in. I invest into the stock market because I am building wealth. I have learned if you want your money to multiply, you need to be an active investor. So this is not investment advice from me. I am just giving you information. You need to do your own homework, work with a licensed financial advisor, or make your own decision. I just want to make sure everyone knows this is not financial advice. I am talking about this because I am an active investor. So guys, I get 4 bonuses every year. And then one big 5-figure profit sharing check every year in February. I've been with my company over 10 years. So I get profit sharing payouts for money that we save the company, you know, by controlling labor, controlling expenses, things of that nature. So in all that extra money that flows to the bottom line, I get a percentage of that. So I am a very lucky guy, guys. Very lucky. You know, I thank God every day for the position that I am in. You know, I get 4 bonus checks a year in February, May, August, and November. So today, my fourth bonus check just hit my account. And it's a sizable bonus, you know. But the biggest one comes in, the biggest of the biggest comes in February because I get a high six figure, no, I'm sorry, I get a high 5 figure profit sharing payout every February since I hit 10 years with my company. I have the benefit to share in the profits of the company. So I just got my, like I said, my fourth bonus check. This is the last bonus check of the year. Then it starts over again in February with my bonuses. And then, like I said, my profit sharing check hits every year in February also. So with this last bonus check of the year, I was like, you know what? This is what's so great about not having any debt, guys, and working my way out of debt because I get this extra money and I can do whatever I choose with it. Whatever I choose. I choose to continue to build my wealth. And I said, okay, this whole Bitcoin thing has me intrigued because I've been studying Bitcoin. I've been studying it. And I said, you know what? I got this bonus check. And I said, you know what? I want to continue building my wealth. See, my 401k is pretty much on automatic pilot right now. I still contribute to it, but it's on automatic pilot. My brokerage account is at the point right now I still contribute to my brokerage account. It's on automatic pilot right now. It's making money. So if I choose to invest into it 1 month, it's going to make money. If I choose not to invest into it every month, it's going to still make money. But I still send money to it every single month because I'm on a mission to grow my wealth. Simple as that. I do not waste my money. I take my money to build wealth. So I said, you know what? I am finna jump. I am going to jump into the Bitcoin arena. So today, I opened up another brokerage account and I bought $5,000 of Bitcoin. Guys, I don't want to hear any negative comments. That was the wrong move or the wrong move, anything like that. It's my money. I choose to do what I want to do with my money. You choose to do what you want to do with your money. So whether you agree with that or not, don't really care. Keep your opinions to yourself on that because it's my money. And if I choose to invest it into Bitcoin, that's my choice. It's my money. Personal finance is just that. It's personal. So I am now in the Bitcoin arena. I bought $5,000 worth of Bitcoin today. That's what I choose to do because I know putting my money into assets is going to make me wealthy and wealthier. See, guys, I don't waste my money. My money goes into assets. And that's all the investment I'm going to make into Bitcoin because it's a small percentage of my net worth. So if it bottoms out, it's 5 grand. I'm not worried about it. Not worried about it. If it starts tanking, I'll just cash out. But I'm confident from the research that I have done and what I've learned about Bitcoin, I'm sure it's going to continue to rise. Bitcoin going to be, they're predicting Bitcoin to be $500,000, $1 million bucks, 15 years from now. So I'm going to ride the wave. I'm just going to throw that 5 grand in there and just let it ride. As Bitcoin go up, that 5 grand is going to increase. And that's all I'm going to throw into it is just that 5 grand. I might throw a couple hundred here, a couple hundred there, a few hundred here, there. But it's not to the point to where if it tanked, it's going to devastate me or I'm going to be broke or something because I won't because I'm diversified. I have my work 401k. I have my brokerage account with I have the total stock market index fund in one brokerage account. I have another brokerage account with a REITs index fund, real estate investment trust index fund, and now I have Bitcoin. Every dollar I get is going into assets. I don't waste my money. I want my money to be working as hard as I am working because it's about building assets. Assets, guys. It's about building assets. Money is not everything, but money brings you freedom to be able to do what you want to do. Yeah, money is not everything, but money gives you options that being broke does not give you. And nobody can dispute that. Nobody. So back to the stock market. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq Composite posted weekly gains as the stock market rebounded from its worst week in 2 months. The Dow Jones, which closed at a record high on Friday, rose 2% for the week, while the S&P and the Nasdaq Composite each tacked on 1.7% gains for the week. Guys, assets make you wealthy. Liabilities like car payments, credit card debt, loans, personal loans, they make you broke. So, like I said, do your homework. Do your homework. If you're not an active investor, get off the sidelines, start investing your money into assets. Me, I choose the stock market. I'm not into real estate like that. I own my own home. That's probably the only physical real estate I will probably ever own is my own personal home because I'm not enamored with real estate like that. I don't want that headache of dealing with tenants. Maybe when I retire and I can buy a 20-plex or something like that and just hire a management company to run it, maybe I'll buy some real estate then. But like right now, I'm not enamored with real estate like that. But maybe when I retire, maybe I'll change my mind. But I like the stock market. I love the stock market. I love looking at companies' profit and loss, sales and growth, projections, what they're planning on doing, the innovations they plan on coming out with. That's what I like. And that's what I like personally. You can like what you like. I like what I like. So with that, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in tonight on stock market update and me jumping into the Bitcoin arena. Please like the video, share the video, and most important, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Frank Talks Money. And with that, guys, remember, financial decisions you make today will impact your financial life tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Frank Talks Money. I am